Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something exciting, a detailed look inside a high-quality car stereo unit. I'm going to show you what's really going on beneath the surface. From the rechargeable lithium polymer battery to the premium PCB design and responsive buttons. If you're wondering whether this device is worth your money, you're in the right place. Stick around for the full breakdown, and by the end, you'll know if this unit deserves a spot in your vehicle. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix. This is the multifunction button system for steering wheel. It is specially designed for the vehicle that not coming with the steering wheel control button systems. Let's open the box and check the inside. When you open the box, you can see one control unit and two control switches. This is the main control unit. And also you are given two rubber holders. Those rubber holders are to mount these two control units. You can use this circled double tapes to stick the control units on the car steering wheel or whatever you want to mount the steering wheel control switches. There are two learning key units with 5 buttons, and you can control 10 keys. The manufacturer provides double tapes to stick the control switches and a cable to charge. As usually, you must read the instructions before installing. All the instructions are given in the control unit itself. There are 2 wires to connect with car stereo learning key systems. Most of car stereos are with 2 key wires, but some devices have only 1. Don't worry, I will show you how to connect if the car stereo has single key wire. This red wire is for 12 volt, and the ash and yellow color wires is to key 1 and key 2. The black wire should be ground. These 2 control switches have 10 functions. When you press the buttons, you can see inside blue lights. The micro USB connector is used to charge each unit. There is a battery inside. I will show you it later. Use this charging cable to charge the battery. Use a regular mobile phone charger to charge the unit, and you no need to keeping device connected to the charger. This is the use manual of the device that I am going to test this car steering wheel learning system. As I said, there is only 1 key wire found. So you have used a trick to use both wires, if not some keys may not be functioned. First thing first, you need to give the power to the device first. This brown wire is the key wire. As you already know, the red wire and the yellow wire is to 12 volt supply and the black wire is to ground. However, this ash color wire is to key 1 and the yellow wire is to key 2. These both wire are rewired to the full function of the both multifunction car steering wheel switches. You can connect the red wire of the multifunction key unit to 12 volt and its black wire to the ground. If you have watched my DI car steering wheel control switch video, this key system works based on the resistance of each wire. In order to use both wire and connect with 1 key wire, I am using 1N4001 diodes and connect with both key wires. You can decide the direction of the diodes based on the car stereo system. So I am going to connect both wires through diodes as you see in this video. Direction of the diodes may be vary depend on the car stereo system. Now you can power the unit. So we can go to the settings and find the car steering wheel learning key programming page. This location may be vary based on the device. Now take your multifunction key unit and press and hold the button, then click the relevant key of the car stereo system. You can use the same procedure to each button. You can see that I am assigning volume up, volume down, next, back and phase buttons. Now, let's move on to the next switch. There are 5 more keys here, and I discovered something interesting while assigning them. First, I assigned the menu button, followed by the call answer button. But when I assign the hang up button, you'll notice that the previously assigned call button deactivates. A similar issue occurred when assigning the stop button with the power key of the car stereo. Some previously assigned buttons were deactivated. If you encounter this issue where the assignments of the first key set are affected, you can solve it by attaching a resistor to either the key 1 or key 2 wires. I think you can do it without issue. Then I assign few important keys to check the operation. If you have a doubt about adding a resistor, put it in the comments. After assigning the keys, we can test them like this. I open the FM radio, and when I press the volume up key, you can see the volume increasing on the screen. With each press, the volume level goes up one step at a time. Now, when I press the volume down button, the volume decreases in the same way. You can also see the background blue lights reacting as well. Next, I'll use the next button to switch the radio to the next channel, and pressing the back button takes me to the previous channel. One by one. The operation is smooth and accurate. At the same time, we can check the second set of keys. For example, I assigned one key to the home button, and when I press it, the display returns to the home screen. Most of the time, I like to go beyond just showing you the outside of the device. As many of our intelligent viewers know, it's easy to make assumptions about a product based solely on its appearance. But we, like many of you, know that what truly matters is what's inside. That's why I take the time to open up these units and give you a closer look. Before opening this particular unit, I thought there might be a standard cell battery inside. However, I was pleasantly surprised to find that it actually contains a rechargeable lithium-ion lithium polymer battery. These types of batteries are known for their durability and efficiency, making them a great choice for this type of device. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing one, I've included the link in the description below. It's worth checking out for the price point. It's definitely a good deal. Now, let's talk about the build quality. One thing that stood out to me is the PCB finishing. It's done really well, giving the unit a professional and durable feel. The buttons too are of high quality. When you press them, they feel solid and responsive, which is important for long-term use. It's always great to see when manufacturers don't compromise on these little but important details. The unit you've described plays a vital role in enhancing user control and customization of a car stereo or similar systems. By allowing users to assign specific functions to different keys such as volume adjustment, radio channel navigation, and home screen access, it creates a more personalized and efficient interface. This customization not only improves convenience but also promotes safety, especially in driving scenarios where easy-to-access controls reduce distractions. In conclusion, based on everything I've seen both on the surface and inside, I'd say this unit is absolutely worth buying for your vehicle. It offers good value, reliable performance, and quality components. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews like this. And as always, be innovative. Stay with SetNFix.